Aligarh Muslim University is a unitary residential university of India, spreading over 468 hectares of lush green campus. Education is the soul of a society, as it breeds confidence and hope. Hope breeds peace and tolerance. It is perceived by Sir Syed while laying the foundation stone of Madrasatul Uloom in 1875, which was converted into a full-fledged university in 1920. Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College held the distinction of being the first to offer residential facilities to the students, without the distinction of their caste and creed at that time, when the four existing universities were hardly more than examining bodies. To instill a scientific temper, the quest for modern education, and adherence to moral values, Sir Syed set up the institution on the pattern of Oxford and Cambridge.
Aligarh Muslim University is a leading university of India and is well known all over the world. It is consistently ranked among the top universities of India. The university imparts education to students belonging to all religions, castes, creeds and nationalities. Article 246, 7th Schedule of the Constitution of India lists Aligarh Muslim University among one of the three institutions of national importance.
Ever since its inception, Aligarh Muslim University has evolved steadily and now emerged as a premier seat of learning, contributing enormously to the collective life of India.
अपने 100 वर्ष के इतिहास में AMU ने लाखों जीवन को तराशा है। अनेकों डिपार्टमेंट्स, दर्जनों हॉस्टल्स, हजारों टीचर्स, प्रोफेसर्स, लाखों स्टूडेंट्स के बीच एक मिनी इंडिया भी नजर आता है।
Its awe-inspiring accomplishments in various hues of life have placed Aligarh Muslim University among the top Indian universities. The academic audit done by reputed international and national agencies such as NIRF and Times Higher Education bear testimony to the fact. A university is known by its student, and AMU stands out on this count. It has produced 5 heads of state, 2 Bharat Ratnas, many Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, Gyanpeeth and Sahitya Academy awardees.
The university provides a wide range of academic flexibility by offering more than 300 degree programs and a number of diplomas. In the last few years, a record number of new programs have been started to meet the requirements of the industry as well as to increase the gross enrollment ratio. 2 new BTech programs in Artificial Intelligence and Food Technology, Masters in Cyber Security and Digital Forensics, Strategic Studies, Data Science, 4 new subjects in Unani Medicine and some of the latest programs which have been started. Increase of MBBS seats from 150 to 200 is also on the cards. The university seriously pursues the student-centric approach, and the prescribed curricular generates life skills, character building, creativity, innovation, leadership qualities and scientific temper.
Academic programs are designed and revised through a systematic process undertaken by the Board of Studies, faculty meetings, CSR and the Academic Council. The statute and the ordinance of the university make special provisions for interaction with industry, research bodies, civil society and alumni. We invite eminent persons from industries as members of the Engineering College, Management Committee and the University Court. To strengthen industry-academia linkage, we offer executive doctorate, summer training, internships and placements. Alumni have representation in University Court, Academic Council and the like.
Admissions to AMU are by All India Open Competitive Examinations. Adequate publicity for admission is made through national, local newspapers and the university website. Confidentiality and transparency in conducting entrance tests and admission are maintained by using biometrics, OMR sheets and digital photography of each candidate. Provision for the underprivileged is reflected in the admission policy. The university is also providing education to socio-economically weaker sections, educationally backward regions, distant state and OBCs, scheduled castes and scheduled tribes.
A considerably good number of teachers have brought laurels to the university by bagging awards, honors, and recognition at national and international levels.
Aligarh Muslim University maintains almost round-the-clock facilities for studying in seminars, reading rooms and book banks with Wi-Fi internet facilities, computers and e-resources. Maulana Azad Library, the lifeline of the university, has 12,39,245 books, 2,627 microfiche, 1,60,000 downloaded e-books, and 7,561 e-journals. This library is equipped with the latest ICT facilities and has special provisions and resources for the visually challenged in the Braille section. The manuscript section preserves some rare collections like a translation of Bhagavad Gita in Persian by Abul Faiz Faizi, a fragment of the Holy Quran on parchment inscribed by Hazrat Ali, and various other pieces of arts and artifacts. The university maintains over a dozen museums in various departments with a vibrant collection. For instance, the Musa Dakri University Museum has a proud possession of a mural by legendary artist M.F. Hussain, the only mural of its kind in the world. It also preserves a rare collection by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan himself. It includes various relics, statues of Buddha, and devoted pillars of sculptural and archaeological significance, ranging from 1st century to the 12th century AD. The university maintains off-campus centres at Jawan in Aligarh district and in Ranikhet, Uttarakhand. They strengthen the research outreach in health and wildlife.
Aligarh Muslim University is well recognized for its research excellence and academic achievements, which is quite evident from its number of publications in last 5 years. We have published over 10,000 publications in Scopus and Web of Science and other indexing agencies. It has been covered. The citation of these papers is over 1 lakh in last 5 years, with H-index goes to over 100, and total citations goes to over 3 lakhs and H-index goes to 170. Our faculty members are well acclaimed internationally, and they have been receiving consistently several fellowship and grants, and these to strengthen the university infrastructures for research ambience. University has established a high-end equipment facility we call USIF, which is called Central Facility for Research Scholars and faculty members in and outside university under the PERS program and DBT Builders program given to the university. The university has also established Innovation Council. Under the ambit of it, we have several incubation centers and robo and eco clubs, which are inviting the young brains to incubate the ideas and link academia and industries.
The Faculty of Unani Medicine needs a special mention here for its incredible contribution in developing exceptional drugs and their formulations. Over 300 drugs and formulations which are being used by various drug industries can be seen listed in the National Formulary of Unani Medicine. Dawakhana Tibbiya College of the university produces and markets over 300 medicines for curing various health issues.
The university in general provides admission, fees, hostel and food at meager rates in comparison to other institutions of India. Special centres at Mallapuram in Kerala, Murshidabad in West Bengal and Kishanganj in Bihar embody the university's outreach mission, since these cater to the academic needs of some backward regions of the country.
An exceptional feature of Aligarh Muslim University is the publication of a hall magazine in English, Hindi and Urdu, contributed, compiled and edited by students of each hall of residence. Students also publish magazines through the Students' Union and literary clubs. In addition to these, more than 20 research journals are published by various departments. In the past 5 years, the university has claimed for more than 50 patents registered and filed. Besides, various departments in the university like Center for Adult Education, National Social Service, National Cadet Corps, Department of Social Work, Community Medicine, Pediatrics, Gynecology, Law, Medicine and many others have been engaged in commendable jobs in the areas of child labour, environment, health and hygiene, eradication of polio, among others, in collaboration with such agencies like UNICEF, WHO and NGOs by organizing camps, rallies, nukkar nataks, poster exhibitions, blood donation and awareness campaigns. In addition to these, the recent introduction of the bridge course to bring madrasa students to the national mainstream of education has shown excellent results. Aligarh Muslim University is like a mini township, maintaining and extending infrastructural support to students, teachers, non-teaching staff spread over its departments, schools and colleges, hostels and residences, administrative offices, libraries, hospitals, computer center and other facilities with optimum utilization for infrastructure, conducive physical ambience and accessibility to differently abled students, among others. The founders' commitment to nation building, national integration, free inquiry, moral values is still a lived reality on the campus. The raging pandemic posed a grave threat to our very existence. AMU, with its frontline medical college ranked among the top medical colleges of the country, played a pivotal role in providing much-needed health care to the people. AMU is fully braced for tackling the COVID wave if it occurs. Many faculty members, paramedical staff have suffered during the pandemic. Even a few of them laid their lives to the cause. To meet the forthcoming challenges, Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College has installed 3 oxygen generation plants to take care of any potential oxygen shortage in the future. A 50-bed pediatric ICU has been operationalized. COVID ward has been renovated and a new COVID ICU has been established. New ventilators have been procured. A separate dialysis unit, operation theatre and labour room facilities for COVID patients have been created.
The campus provides learning resources to its students and teachers at almost every location in the form of a central library, the book banks, departmental seminar libraries, reading rooms in halls of residence, besides online access to e-learning. The university also has a library accessed by users from over 70 countries. The computer center runs the IT departments and maintenance with a budget of about rupees 52 lakhs allotted to the center. It takes care of the IT infrastructure. The campus is Wi-Fi enabled. Apart from video conferencing facilities, smart classrooms, language, computer labs are also there in the university.
It is important to mention here that in Aligarh Muslim University, students' mentoring are not done through spoon feeding. They learn the art of governance by holding positions of responsibilities. They take care of seminar libraries and run halls by becoming senior halls, senior food and secretaries of literary and cultural clubs, and also the captains of different sports clubs in the university.
The University Games Committee maintains a wide range of sports facilities like playgrounds, courts, gymnasiums, swimming pools, stadiums and clubs. Some exceptional features of Aligarh Muslim University are the riding club, skating rinks and AstroTurf. These clubs have produced such great sportsmen and Olympians like Aslam Sher Khan, Govinda, Safar Iqbal and Inamur Rahman.
I'd like to mention that we pay special emphasis to women's education. Approximately 30% of our students are girls. They have contributed significantly to all spheres of activity. Differently abled students also provided facilities including sports facilities. There is a cricket team for the visually challenged that has won many championships representing the state.
The Cultural Education Center at Aligarh Muslim University is the hub of literary and cultural activities in the campus. It comprises of 11 clubs like Club for Short Evening Courses, Drama Club, Debating and Literary Club, Film Club, Eco Club, Fusion Music Club, Fine Art Club, Folk and Traditional Music Club, Hindustani Music Club, Western Music Club and Hobbies Workshop. These clubs have created cultural and literary icons, writers like Rashid Ahmad Siddiqui, Akhtarul Iman, Al Ahmad Surur, Mushtaq Ahmad Yusufi, Ismat Chughtai, Saadat Hassan Manto, Khaja Ahmad Abbas, Mujtaba Hussain, Basharat Peer and Raja Rao, etc.
The university puts a premium on these students, and there is a mechanism of placement regulated by the Central Training and Placement Office. The Aligarh Muslim University has a smooth system of governance, leadership and management. It has its internal organizational structure regulated by its own set of acts, statutes, ordinances and regulations. I want to mention that the President of India is the visitor to the university. The Governor of Uttar Pradesh holds the position of Rector.
The university constantly seeks innovations and best practices to revolutionize its working, reflected in admissions, examinations, dispersal of scholarships, salaries and pensions, energy conservation, plantation, waste management, accommodation for students and teachers, which is remarkable and worth observing.
The Aligarh Muslim University maintains and runs 10 schools imparting quality education from class 1 to 12 to nearly 14,000 students. There are 4 boys' schools, 4 girls' schools and 1 primary school. Besides this, there is 1 dedicated school for visually challenged students. Some of these schools have a glorious past of nearly a century, evolving with latest teaching techniques, maintaining the heritage and legacy.
The founder of the university had put equal emphasis on education and personality development, and for this, initially a school was set up. School education has paramount importance, and the university pursues school education vigorously. It runs schools for boys, girls, and visually challenged students.
Each school is managed by a principal under the supervision of Directorate of School Education. Nearly 500 teachers are providing quality education to the students. All these schools have state-of-the-art smart classroom, science and computer labs. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the AMU schools have shifted to online teaching using several platforms. Every school has adequate facilities for co-curricular activities, playground for outdoor sports, NCC unit and an active cultural life. The students passing class 10th and 12th are issued secondary school and senior secondary school certificates respectively by the AMU Board of Secondary and Senior Secondary Education. Good number of students from AMU schools have successfully qualified several prestigious competitions including NEET, IIT JEE, CLAT, NDA and other reputed examinations.
Despite the COVID-19 pandemic, 2 new colleges and 3 centers were established in the preceding year. They are College of Nursing, College of Paramedical Sciences, Department of Cardiology, Center for Food Technology, Artificial Intelligence and Green and Renewable Energy.
Aligarh Muslim University is and will always be an important pillar of strength in nation building.